What's up guys, welcome back to another InDesign video. So in today's video we are going to do a quick tutorial on how to use the Cricut drawing tool. You can either use your Cricut Maker, Cricut Explore Air 2 or even your Cricut Joy. So for today's video I'm going to be using my Cricut Explore Air 2. So yeah, if you like this video, please remember to like, subscribe and hit that little notification bell so that you can get notifications every time I post a video. So let's get into this video. Okay, so when you're in Design Space, you're going to click on New Projects and then you're going to go to Images and you are going to import an image. You can search what you want or you can even import your own image into Design Space. But for the purpose of this video, I want to test out the detail of how we can draw. So I already know what I want to do. I found this really cool picture of a lung on Design Space. So I just need to find it quickly. So here we go. So this one that I'm choosing is on Design Space Access. So unfortunately if you don't have access then you can't use this picture, but if you do you can have this picture. Okay, so I'm just going to make a square or a block to the size of my paper. I'm just going to draw on an A4 paper, which is 210 by 29.7. So I'm working in millimeters, in centimeters. Move my print to the front. I'm just going to change this to white so that I can see what I'm doing. Alright, so I want a little border. So before we carry on with that, I'm going to duplicate this. So this, I'm just going to send that to the front again. I'm going to make that a little bit smaller because this is going to be my border. And then I'm just going to arrange it. There we go, that's perfect. Now I'm going to put it on my board. And that is how I want it. Okay, so that is nice and big. I think I love it. Okay, but let's just center it just in case. And that is literally how easy it is. Just remember to select everything, to choose the pen draw tool so that it doesn't cut. Now we're going to attach everything and we are going to make it. So that layout is fine for me. I'm just going to keep it like that. I don't want to change anything. Okay, I just need to switch on my machine quickly. Okay, I've changed my material to paper because we're just going to use normal paper, and I've loaded, I'm just going to load my black pen because I just want to do black for now, but in future I want to try and do different colors. So let's go. really looks like it was something that was printed. The detail is just amazing. It's such a clean drawing. Wow, I'm so impressed. Alright, that was very exciting. I'm very impressed with the detail, the outcome. It really looks like it was something that I printed, which I did not. You guys saw I printed it. Well, I drew it on my Cricut machine. So this is the outcome. I think this is like super cool. I'm like so amazed with this outcome. It's really amazing. The detail is just so amazing. Unfortunately, I did not center my page properly, so you can see here this gap here and this gap here is not the same at all. But I mean, it's the first time I've actually done something like this. Usually if I do use the drawing tool, I like to use my snap mat tool. It's just easier and you know exactly you're gonna get your drawing. Okay, sorry about that. My battery of my camera died, but yeah, so basically I am very impressed with the Cricut drawing function. I think it's very awesome. I absolutely love it. And yeah, so let me know if you guys want to see more of these videos, and that's all from me for today, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.